Stocks I'm watching going into the trading day of Tuesday, August 25th. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Everything is my opinion. Also, keep in mind, guys, I'm a scalp day trader, so the price movements I need are pretty minuscule in comparison to some other types of traders. So with that said, let's dive into it. Number one, I'm liking the setup on Coin. I think it was oversold today. It sold to the high 170s. I'm starting in using a leveraged ETF, especially with all the bullish momentum in BTC. We're looking to just scalp that to the low 180s again. Also keeping an eye on SanDisk back into the 1500. So right now it's 1477 after hours. Pretty violent sale today on that bad boy, and I'm looking for a little bit of a bounce after being oversold. That's of course if macro indicators and everything else work with us tomorrow pre-market using SNDU or SNXX tomorrow. Tesla and SpaceX, they had some selling today. Tesla's back under 350 at that 349 level. If everything is bullish tomorrow, I do think the likelihood of Tesla being back in the 350s is pretty high, but will of course trade accordingly. Soxella has been really taking a bath over the past week. I scalp trade this all the time. This is the semiconductor industry, 3 times leverage. I actually already started in on a position on Soxell in the 108s and the 107s. I'd be happy with 115. So we'll see how we're looking tomorrow, and I'll of course be managing that position accordingly. We also had some great trades on Mara and CleanSpark. These are Bitcoin miners turned AI infrastructure plays with heavy short interest. So I love being a part of these right now. I don't typically hold things overnight. CleanSpark and Mara, I did hold Friday going into Monday. I had some great trades on them, and I actually got back in towards the end of the day. I took Mara almost perfectly to its daily high at 12. 12 was my mark. It squeezed up to that, and then it dropped right after that, and then I see it close in the 11.15s, 11.18s, something around there, and I snuck back in. Keep in mind there's a lot of macro risk right now, a lot of jitters over the bond market, and also a lot of jitters going into Nvidia earnings. Do you think there was a lot of selling in those risk on stocks today? And most likely some of those jitters regarding Nvidia earnings is going to turn into excitement again if macro obeys. So I'll be keeping a close eye on semiconductor trade, memory trade, etc.